Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring both devices share the same Wi-Fi and that TVcast is installed on your Android TV and the companion app on your phone. Once done, open the TVcast app on the TV and grant network and storage permissions. This lets it accept incoming streams. On your phone, enable local network access and Bluetooth if prompted so discovery is fast. Now tap Scan in the mobile app to find the TV. This immediate pairing starts the casting handshake and readies you to send content. After your phone finds the Android TV, select it to establish the casting session. You will see a confirmation on the TV. Next, pick the content type, video, photo, audio, or full screen mirror, and choose the file or app tab you want to stream. Make sure to set playback quality and subtitles on the mobile interface because the TV will follow those settings. Once you press play, watch the stream buffer briefly. If you notice lag, lower quality or switch bands on your router to stabilize the connection. To finish, control playback from your phone, pause, seek, volume, and stop are immediate. You can also end the session on the TV if needed. Once done watching, tap disconnect so the TV frees resources. If casting fails, restart the TVcast app on both devices and reboot the router. This clears common network handshakes. Make sure your Wi-Fi channel is not congested and that firmware is current. If problems continue, try temporarily using a mobile hotspot to isolate router issues before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.